What's up? Welcome back to Roblox Shimmers Gamer. So in the day of today, I'm going to be playing some Tower of Hell. So let's get started. I'm not really good in Tower of Hell. I would preferably rather Treacherous Tower. I would like to give a special shout out to Sad Pugs. She has been a great friend and she has always been supporting me. Also, Gaming with Jalal, big shout out to him too. Ava Loves Games is also a great friend and supporter. And also Zainab Sakibrian. Oh my god, sorry guys. I always have trouble with this. So I invited my friends to the game already. Sad Pugs got into the game. I would really want to thank you, Sad Pugs. You have been like really important to me in here. Oh my god, I fell down, guys. Okay, so let's keep climbing up. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got here. See these comments. This Godzilla guy is talking. Oh my god. Oh my god, I made it. Thank goodness. Oh my god, what is that girl saying? Ooh, it's the first time I get to another stage because usually, I don't get farther than a stage. Oh no. Oh my god. I can't believe I made it this far. Ooh, I made it to the 3rd level. This is super cool. Okay, so I think I'm having some trouble. I don't want to get, eaten by these lighty thingies. Oh my god, I can't believe I've made it this far. Okay. Oh my god, I only have 2 minutes. Oh no! What? No, that was not fair. It was the first time I literally made it like really far and then this ended. No. Okay. Okay. So let's keep going. Oh no, I didn't make it. This was a ripoff, guys. Oh my god, this was a ripoff. Oh no, what happened? Some of my friends joined. Puppy Ninja something made it to the top. Ava, oh my god, you have been a great friend, so if you're seeing this video, Ava or Sad Pugs or Gaming with Jalal, thank you so much for helping me out in this gaming channel. Have been really important to me. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Okay, I made it. Oh no, my friend died. Oh no. It's just funny. Oh no, I died too. No, I didn't die. It's just a little hilarious when you fall down and then their bones break. It's not funny, but in Roblox it is. Oh no. What is going on? Okay, so gotta get up and try. Okay, I haven't been working on that. Ooh, my friend joined. Okay, so I was about to make it to the top. Just when this Tower of Hell, they're right, it's a Tower of Hell. Oh no! What happened to me? Okay. Okay. Let's try our best here, guys. Oh no! Why did I have to fall down? Oh no. I would have really appreciated if Tower of Hell wasn't this hard. Usually I would rather playing Treacherous Tower. Oop. Hello. Oh, so you can jump harder, I think. I mean, a little higher. Ah, no! Oh my god. Oh, I said folks bought low gravity. Does low gravity help? Oh my god. Oh. Yes, you are on YouTube. Oh, YouTube. Okay, why do people keep asking me that? Epic Gamer. I don't like so much jumping because then you over jump. You see, this is not good. So that's why this video is called me having all the pain I can mixed up with everyone in this world's pain in this video because I am not good at Tower of Hell. But you gotta get up and try and try and try. You gotta get up and try and try and try. No! This is literally the end of my world, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so disappointing. Oh no. Oh, I had made it up to the gray part, but yeah, this is just really hard. Okay. I wonder what low gravity helps you with. Yep, it didn't seem to help my friend right here. Okay, I made it. Now what? Oh. This was kind of easy. Okay. Oh my god, I made it. Now what? Where am I supposed to go? Oh, am I supposed to jump all the way there? Or what now? Oh, I think you're supposed to go there or something. Oh, I survived. Okay. Okay, I made it. Made it right here. Thank you so much for being this easy, Obby. I appreciate it. Oh, so this is like a moving carousel. Kinda. Okay, let's hop on. See where this can get us. Okay, I'm having some trouble right here, guys. Where am I supposed? No! I died! Oh no! Oh, wait, do I have a checkpoint? Oh my god, this is good. I didn't know that this had some sort of good effect. Okay, guess it's time to jump, and I also died. Okay, thank goodness I made it here. Oh, I think that there is where you get some more, some checkpoint or something. No, don't tell me, no. Oh, it squashed me. Okay guys, so I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. If you do, I would appreciate it. They're my last moments in Tower of Hell. Okay, so thank you guys so much for this. And I see you on my next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below what I should do in my next video. So pretty much I love suggestions because I love suggestions so much. I don't know why. The thing is that they're good. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!